warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Norfaqihah binti Mustaffa. So today I'm going to review some product which is tada. So it's called a humidifier. Before that, I will tell you what the benefit of this product are. So I've been used this product for a month, and actually my skin is very dry. So when I use this product, it moisturizes my skin. Humidifier adds moisture to the air to prevent dryness, which can cause irritation to any parts of the body. So guys can see, this is the description. This product contains a volume of 300 milliliter of water. Yeah, this is package. Oh yeah, you can also put in some essential oil if you like it. Yeah, and it also has the color option as well. Yeah, the black color and the pink color, but I choose the pink color because I love pink. I like pink. Now let's have a look at this product. Ta-da! So, now the pink color. Yeah, white and pink. Yeah. So here I got USB lamp, USB fan, and USB wire. So I will show you how to use it. Let's go. So here I got some water. And you can also put in some essential oil if you like it. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So that's enough. And close it tightly. And you can put USB wire in this like this. Yeah. Now let's click the button. So let's click at once. Yeah. And it's begin with a little spray. It's very silent actually. Yeah. And here you've got the accessory. You can put it here on top. Yeah, just like this. Wow, it's very bright actually. And here's also the fan. And yeah, I forgot to tell you something. Here. Click here a little bit longer to have ta-da, the light. It's quite nice actually. It have the color option: pink color, the green, the red color, the blue color. Yeah. This is definitely the product I recommend to you guys. It's a nice humidifier and a cool gadget. So don't forget to get it in any store, or you can buy it in online shop. Yeah. So that's all for my video. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and share my video. Thank you.